Have you ever wondered how habits shape our lives or how small changes can lead to remarkable results? Today we delve into the fascinating world of Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that explores the power of habits and how they can transform our lives. Chapter 1, The Surprising Power of Atomic Habits, introduces us to the concept of atomic habits. These are tiny incremental changes or habits that, over time, lead to significant transformations. The author uses the analogy of an ice cube heating up from -25 to -5 degrees without any visible change until it reaches 0 degrees and starts to melt. This metaphor beautifully illustrates how atomic habits work. In Chapter 2, How Your Habits Shape Your Identity, Clear delves into the idea of identity-based habits. He argues that the habits we adopt stem from our self-identity and beliefs about ourselves. Therefore, to change our habits, we must first alter our identity. Chapter 3, How to Build Better Habits in 4 Simple Steps, outlines a practical framework for habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. Clear explains each step in detail, providing valuable insight into the mechanics of habit creation. In Chapter 4, The Man Who Didn't Look Right, the author uses a real-life story to underline the importance of our environment in shaping our behaviors and habits. He emphasizes that by modifying our environment, we can better control our habits. Chapter 5, The Best Way to Start a New Habit, introduces the concept of habit stacking. Clear suggests that by linking a new habit to an existing one, we can seamlessly integrate new behaviors into our daily routines. In Chapter 6, Motivation is Overrated, Environment Often Matters More, Clear underscores the importance of environment over motivation in sustaining habits. He argues that a conducive environment makes it easier to stick to good habits and avoid bad ones. Chapter 7, The Secret to Self-Control explores the idea of self-control and its role in habit formation. Clear suggests that self-control is like a muscle. It gets stronger with regular use. He also recommends creating an environment that doesn't test our self-control too much. In the final chapter, How an Accountability Partner Can Change Everything, Clear highlights the power of accountability in maintaining habits. He suggests finding an accountability partner to help keep us on track with our habits. To sum up, Atomic Habits by James Clear provides a comprehensive and practical guide to understanding and harnessing the power of habits. It introduces the concept of atomic habits, tiny changes that can lead to significant transformations over time. It delves into the mechanics of habit formation and the role of identity, environment, self-control, and accountability in creating and maintaining habits. The book offers valuable insights and strategies for anyone looking to improve their habits and ultimately their lives. So, what tiny changes can you start making today? How will you harness the power of atomic habits to shape your future? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.